Hi, I am Varun Jhalla. I work experience about 15 years in front face retail. I take care of sales and distribution for 7 states in India. I must mention that I come from a commerce background, so engineering, maths, or any of the statistics is something far away from what I have learned. As soon as the course started, just within 6 months, I think I have a good hands in with R and Python, and the data which I was dealing with Excel and taking a lot of time in understanding and evaluating. I think through R and Python now I can say 80% I have a good hands in. Also to mention that IIM has been incredible in managing online and offline mode. It's a quite hybrid and it really suits to the professionals who are working on a demanding role. I work in a very demanding and challenging role where I hardly get time during weekdays to study, but IIMs make sure that Saturdays, Sundays they teach us properly. Professors are available whenever we have doubts. It really helped me taking this course, pursuing this course, and it has become very easy for me. I can recommend future students who are studying masters in business administration, keeping in mind that they want to bring some changes in the way business happens, the real time front face retail is working. I also recommend to the people who are at a lower level management and trying to move to middle level and try to coming to a top level. It takes a journey of over 15-17 years, but if they can get into this course and understand the core of the data analysis, I think there is a great chance of growing and they can grow on a quicker pace.